Ready to unlock the world of cryptocurrency? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on creating your Coinbase account, making it super easy for you to get started. First, head to Coinbase Account and click on the sign up button. You'll then be prompted to enter your first name, last name, email address, and choose a secure password. Make sure to select a strong password that you don't use anywhere else. Next, Coinbase will ask for your state of residence. Carefully review the user agreement and privacy policy. And if you agree, tick the box and click Create Account. Coinbase will send a verification email to the address you provided. So go to your inbox and click the link to confirm your email. For enhanced security, set up two-factor authentication. Coinbase will guide you through linking your phone number to your account. You'll receive a text message with a verification code that you'll need to enter on the site. You'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves providing your date of birth, address, and answering a few security questions. Sometimes, you'll need to upload a picture of your driver's license or passport, so have that ready. Now it's time to connect your bank account or debit card. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to securely link your account. This allows you to easily buy and sell crypto. Congratulations, your account is now set up. Take some time to explore the Coinbase interface. You can view crypto prices, manage your portfolio, and start trading. Keep an eye on account limits and transaction fees, which vary depending on your account level and trading activity. Remember, security is key. Always use strong, unique passwords and keep your two-factor authentication enabled. Be wary of phishing attempts and never share your account information with anyone. And that's it. You're now ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency with Coinbase.